In today's video, we'll be showing you guys how we fry our plantain at home. Nigeria way of frying their plantain. Plantain is very easy and simple and very yummy. But what happened to me here is that we bought plantain and everything just live at the same time. So I decided to fry everything at once because some of them are spoiled and these ones here are still good. So I decided to fry it for my children because they love plantain so much, but not to eat it too much. It's not good. It's me showing you guys how I do my own frying of plantain because a lot of people don't know how to fry plantain. Some of them don't know how to cut their plantain very well. So I'm here to show you guys how I'm doing my own. Cutting plantain this way will make it to fry very well and also cook inside very well. It's very easy. It's very important to cut it this way. You enjoy it after frying it. You see that I have already peeled all my plantain, and the one I have sliced is too much. Like, I don't even know that my children will finish this plantain because me, I don't eat fried food again. I don't eat too much food to this time around. So my children finish all this thing, but they could not even eat their night food again. They did not even take anything again in the night because this is when they come back in the afternoon, and this is what I give them as their food. So this is their lunch, so that is what I just give them. You can fry it circle like this any way. You can just do it, just not do it too much. So guys, I would like you guys to enjoy this video, love this video, and please like to share. If you please share this video, share it for me, I will appreciate it so much. So please watch and like. I don't even want to go on again with this. I don't know what to say again. Please, you guys should enjoy this video. Watch to the end, give me a thumbs up. Please watch. I love you so much.
Look at this.
Okay. Mom, to my mess. Make sure I any na charge. Mba. 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 Ya ga ejiga school echi bụ indomi na akwa. 5,000. M ga-ego pure water. M ga-ego.
Antimu nebakwa makafuni ubini hadi mwongeze Bicara, hai, kita bana, enggak boleh, itu di, itu dia boleh.